Hello, welcome back. Now, alright, many times I've said I'm gonna take these hammers away, and today I really am. So I'm looking through here because I'm pretty. Look, it's a bag of bad. Okay, don't need to look through there, but there's other bags here that I'm pretty sure that I did have. I can't see what these are. Okay, these came from a 64C. Gotcha. Now, down in here, somewhere in here, screws. I know. Old pet chips, I think. There was stuff. Oh, this could be it. Oh, well. There's a cover. It's not it. Screws and a key. What's this? 40/40 belt. Anyway, so I put things in here so I can find them. I'm pretty sure somewhere. Oh yeah, look. Big 20 keys from a certain machine. 555 chips, screws, disk drive, screws. Oh, Sharpie. Okay, little things, little monitor thing. What's this? Chips from a 2040. Okay, I'm still thinking. Oh my golly. That's somewhere down here. Okay, I'm gonna leave these out because these two are good. These are bags, more bags for doing things. Those screws, data cards. Gotta have more data cards. Anyway, I'm pretty sure that somewhere down here I'm gonna find a bag. Oh yeah. No, Amiga chips. I thought maybe there was screw, switch things, stuff. I thought. Various RAM chips to explore. This, you know what, these, where'd they go? These things that say Amiga chips. Oh yeah, they kind of look like they might be. But I know there was a funny batch of chips that were sitting out and that I kind of hurt. Oh yeah, here's the thing. Batteries included are, but a little board thing. Huh. CBM screws assorted. Well, there's another Sharpie. Okay, maybe not. Maybe this was a waste. Or maybe not. Who knows? Maybe that thing that I thought was Amiga chips is not all. I don't know. And who knows? Somewhere else, I might find a bag. I might. Old pet chips, I think. You never know, you know. Okay, so bags. Bad. 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 Bad, 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 bad. Oh well. Things happen. Alright, so somewhere, maybe in another container or something, I have such things as this cable I've been meaning to put up on the door, but I haven't. And these things, I guess they can go back in the top as long as I can add them, because I'm sure I'm going to have lots of things to write on. I'm sure of it, somehow. So yeah, these things, these airmail things, they're also good for covering up EEPROMs. So I will see about that. Oh dear. Well, I think that's about it for now. Besides, I'm being summoned. So have a lovely day. Bye for now.